Alright, hi everybody, Molly here from my channel, Molly Fitzbrown, and we are at Hollywood Studios. Why are we at Hollywood, guys?
Because we're gonna go to Star Wars Land and do some rides.
Star Wars Land, meet Darth Vader. New Mickey race car show?
Yeah.
Come here, Mickey. Yay, alright, so we got a lot of new stuff, and he wants to do Slinky Dog. Logan has never been on it. I love it, it's so much fun. We do not have fast passes, let's see how that goes. And he might meet Jesse and Woody, so we'll see. We got a new exciting day planned. Here it is. Alright, we are so excited to finally be here at Hollywood Studios. Hurricane Dorian is all gone. We had to wait for the hurricane to pass. I kind of got a head cold, and now we get to see Hollywood Studios Galaxy's Edge. We are so excited.
And if you're new to the channel, we do awesome fun stuff. Where I got my first lights.
Shiny even. Woo! We are here. Okay, I just made a pin trade. I got the little Pluto to Star Wars this way. Alright, so we are a little warm today. I got these new fans, so I'll put a link down below. They actually are really strong. Battery powered, all charged up. Are we heading to Star Wars Land, fan making?
Yes.
Alright, we are booking it to Star Wars Land. Here we go. I got on blue. I'm part of the good guys. Look, only 10-minute wait for the old Star Tours because everyone's going this way to the real Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Are you guys pumped?
Yes.
The sign is down. We're entering. Hello, thank you. Get one. You gotta get one. Wow, the special traveler's guide. We are here. Here we go. Here, I'll take it. Wow, look at the cool garbage cans. Everything's neat. We are here. Here at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. We are in a whole new place. This is pretty cool. Ooh, at least they got fans. It is really hot today. Ooh, they've got a spaceship over here. Wow, look, the whole big suits, the hats, the keychains. Ooh, the die-cast model. Whoa, look at all the cool helmets.
That's Chewbacca's bag. His original bag.
Cool hats, yeah. Magnets, figures. Whoa, look at this. Oh my goodness, he's walking this way. Say hi. Hi, Chewbacca. What? Hi. Whoa, look over here, Patrick, the big archways.
Okay, so this is a pretty big place. Should we walk in there?
Whoa, and look at the big Rocky Mountain up here. Want to go inside here? Is this like the market? I'm not sure where we are. Let's go. What is all this stuff? We're coming. Oh, Patrick, look. Here. little food pit stop for the first time. Oh my goodness, this robot, ooh, creepy's looking at you.
He's staring at me. So much weight.
Wow, that was a cool door to open like that, huh?
Yes.
Oh, and look at the Millennium Falcon. Here it is, Patrick. Here it is. I want to look at everything. Whoa, look, a whole nother part of the city this way.
Stormtroopers!
Stormtroopers. All right, we are here at the ride. It says 45 minutes and I think we're gonna do it. So check out the ship. Holy cow, Patrick, here it is.
It only takes you to the moon though.
What? Wow, you guys, this looks so giant and realistic.
Yeah, they built a big place.
Here we go, standby time, 45 minutes. Here we go, right next to the ship, look. Oh my goodness, you guys. Holy cow. This is the ship, Logan, look. Whoa.
We've waited less than this to meet a character.
We have waited more than this, you mean? Yeah, just to like meet Mickey. You excited? All right, Millennium Falcon, are you ready to ride, Tommy?
I'm ready.
All right, I don't know who's going to be the pilot. I heard someone's a pilot. Patrick really wants to be the pilot.
38 inches or up.
Okay, and Logan's going to ride. Logan is much braver than he used to be, and he's starting to ride the rides with us now. We're excited. Okay, so we are like halfway through the line for the Millennium Falcon, and you can buy the Cokes here, so. Thank you. Hold on, let's see. Whoa, it is a special Star Wars Coke. Let's catch back up. I got it, guys. Now, does it taste like regular Coke or is it Star Wars line Coke? I'm guessing regular Coke.
Purple.
All right, let me see. It is not. It's just a Coke. Okay, let's see. It's like drinking from a Christmas ornament. Whoa, is that the line inside? That's where we're heading to, guys. Yeah, but those people are in air conditioning, aren't they? We are reapproaching the air conditioning. It feels so nice. 45 minutes, though, really, on like the second weekend after the grand opening. I know Hurricane Dorian has taken a lot of people out of town and thrown everything off kilter for what they were planning. So, hey, it's gonna work for us.
I should call up the infraction restraints.
Okay, I will say we're waiting on top of this like crated floor here that I'm not real excited about.
Did that on its own.
I don't know, it's going pretty fast. There's a lot to look at. It's a really cool place. Everything seems pretty old though. Tommy's like, did they bring in old stuff? Did they make it all old? Check out this old railing. They even splattered Coke all over it already. Are you sure that's new?
No, they're making it all old in Star Wars.
I know, we're just kidding. You're right, Patrick. Check it out. There's that Millennium Falcon out there. This is the top side of the Millennium Falcon, huh? Look, there was our line down there. Saw people. We were down here. She's calling people down there. Keep going. Stay together.
Have a good run out there,
Whoa.
Welcome, my friends. Welcome, welcome. What a fine-looking group of flight professionals. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. On load for some very fast and very profitable expedition.
How many's in your flight crew?
4.
Lord.
You will be brown credentials today. You're gonna head straight forward.
Okay.
Go straight on in.
And we're the brown family.
Wait,
Keep going. Okay, hand me one, Patrick. Let me see. Just one. Everybody has one. Oh, here's a pilot. A pilot. A gunner. Straight ahead, guys. Whoa. Yeah, we're the brown crew, huh? You're a pilot? Oh, don't drop it. All right, I'm a gunner. And there's the famous bench seat. You want a picture too?
Side by side this way right here. My gunners for the brown credential, you will be the one to protect us, okay?
Okay.
Ready? You're not going upside down.
No.
Welcome, welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer, come closer. Ah, a brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all.
Seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
All right, we're in the middle.
And left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly. Push forward to fly out. Weapons are offline.
Oh, here we go! Great.
Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. Get out of there. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers.
Patrick, you did it!
Proud.
All right, Dad, help! Woo! Logan, you did it! And our engineers, thanks guys. Woo! All right, we did it. I shot all the bad guys.
Oh, looks like we are ready to
Let's get out of
unload.
here, Chris. We gotta go. Oh, that was an interesting flight. People back here flying all around. He's trapped.
You go, you go.
Oh, that was
Woo, that was rough. We made
Hit
it.
the brakes.
Wow, we made it, guys. Look how cool this place looks. Wow. So we did it. What did you guys think? What did you think, Tommy? Tommy got to be a pilot. Yeah, it was a little herky-jerky like the Spider-Man all over. Yeah. Patrick was a pilot with Dad. We were the gunners. We were pew-pew.
I crashed into a giant. I have a fast finger. I really need it.
You did. You were getting all the bad guys for us. And now look, we're in Star Wars land, you guys. Holy cow. The Millennium Falcon is right there. Wow. Oh, this is the Katina.
Let's go look at the restaurant.
Greetings. Hello. Whoa, look at this huge ship straight ahead, Patrick. Didn't you build something like that out of Legos once?
Yes, I did.
Wow. That's much bigger than your Lego ship, huh? All right, it is sunny, it is bright, it's a little bit hot, but we are so excited to be here that it's all good. These ship things are pretty amazing. Oh, I just found the milk over here too. It's the blue and the green milk they call it. I heard it's not really milk. Let's go see the stand. droids, huh? Oh, this is the droid place. Let's at least look. Whoa! A whole giant R2-D2.
They are.
Oh, they're already up? Awesome. Perfect.
Wow, there he is.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Do you want to do it again?
You're fine.
What's the slogan?
All right, we are walking out of Star Wars Galaxy Edge. What did you guys think?
And the good news is that we don't have, it doesn't take a long time.
Wow, and that Toy Story Land's right here. That's where we're going next. I really enjoyed everything. It was bigger than I was expecting because of Pandora Land and Toy Story Land are big, but I guess it's at least as big as Toy Story Land. Toy Story Land's pretty big. But it was just so much to see, so much to do. It was really amazing. So I think they did a great job. And now here we are, Toy Story Land. Swirling saucer. It's Slinky. All right, until next time, thanks for joining our magical adventures.